All right, getting this brake retaining clip on a Mercedes C350 or C300. I know the Audis have them as well, but I guess you have to have a special tool in here and it does the whole thing, and it's a pain in the butt, or just manhandle it until it gets in there. Well, I found a different way you can just kind of use at home. Just get yourself some really good tough speaker wire, not the braided stuff, but with the solid copper wires in it. Place it right in between there so it hooks in real nice. And everybody who's tried to replace this can get this part done pretty easy. You can place it in there. The hard part is getting this clip back into the hole here. So this thing will slip around on you a lot. Just keep one hand up above and below. Wrap your hand on this thing and just pull back until you get it back into the hole here. Alright, so let's see about getting this in here. Got it lined up. And just pull back. There you go. Just like that. So now all you got to do is just remove your speaker wire. Just cut it, pull it right out, and that's how you can put a clip onto a C350 Mercedes pretty easy. Thanks for watching.